Good morning! It's day 5 and we're going to have a chill day. Well, actually Jamie and his mum and dad are going to Typhoon Lagoon and my mum and dad don't really fancy it, and actually I kind of thought we'll not bother either, me and Scarlett, because there's none for Scarlett there and it means they can get on with stuff, so that's fine. And also I'd booked a fast pass for 3:30 for Flight of Passage. I really want to do that, and if we go to Typhoon Lagoon we won't really have time for that, so easy. So I think me, my mum and dad are going to do Typhoon Lagoon, and I had an ADR for Yak and Yeti for 4:30. I've changed it to 7:30 so they can meet us at Animal Kingdom after their day at Typhoon Lagoon, so that's the plan. So here's Jimmy there, you forgot the cups. We're just going around for breakfast. We have stuff in the room, but we've just decided to have a retreat together since we're spending the day apart. But yeah, so we're just walking in, so I've not actually had a shower yet. I've just put on some clothes and some feet, and then Jamie's going to nip off his mum and dad and they'll go back and get ready. So a lazy-ish start today. Scarlett was up at 7, which was great actually, but could have still slept a few more hours. Don't think Jamie even heard her. So at least she's sleeping fine, so thank goodness for that. But yeah, I think a wee sort of rest day today is needed after 4 pretty full on days. Can't believe we're at day 5 already. Sorry, she dropped her hat, as it might be a continual. She just will give that hat on. She's also got a shoe. See, hat again. There's some cookie down there, Scarlett. Yeah. But we're gonna go. I wonder what we'll get to eat. We've not had breakfast there yet, so we'll go and find out anyway. Breakfast, sorry I never showed you, we were too hungry. But what was good was actually, instead of a drink you got a side, which I don't really know they did it, but maybe they just do it there. I got a cinnamon bun as my side. Like what? I didn't eat it, I just sampled it to make sure it was good. And then, it's fine, sorry, just give me a wee wipe. Yeah, it was really good actually, but I'm full. I had the country wrap, which is like scrambled egg potato in a wrap, and it was delicious actually. But what we should have done was, Jimmy should have got his, he got an omelette, and he should have got a cinnamon bun as a side, and I would have had that. But it was fine, Jimmy got a side of strawberries, we gave it to Scarlett for breakfast, so it worked out fine actually. But that's great at resort, because then you get your cup, so you get your juice anyway, so yeah, that's a bit better value anyway, so yeah, we just used that. And then I'd looked at my app, the app's brilliant now, and it works obviously, that you can just check how many credits you've got left and stuff and where you spent them and who purchased them. So I had a look and there was 2 for Starbucks. That was on our first day on day 1 on Sunday, and excuse me, and oh, there was 2 in it, so I completely forgot what I was saying. There was 2 and I only had 1, so she's like, that's why I decided to back on. No bother, no questions, nothing, just like, that's what you gotta love about Disney. They're just so, yeah, that's fine, it's great, we'll sort it. But anyway, back to the room. I think I'm going to do some washing, exciting stuff, and get ready and just take my time. Good job I'm going back to bed. But no, I'll get on with stuff. And maybe suggest mum and dad see if they want to get the boat to Disney Springs, or you can maybe just go to the pool, but we'll just play it by ear. But I'm going to make the most of our lazy morning. I don't know if there's many more of these scheduled in, so. You up to Miss Scarlett? Oh, you want the coat hanger? Right, you want me to just give you it? Or is that not as much fun? It's over there, yeah, no. Well, okay. You can help look. tumble dryer's on. I think this one's the washing machine, this one's the tumble dryer. And the washing stuff. Pretty handy. And you've got a little baby. Yeah. This is my cinnamon bun from earlier that I meant to show you. I'm getting it one-handed. Use my other hand there. Doesn't look like much now, but it was delicious, so I might have that later. But I think we're just getting ready. We're about ready to leave to go to Disney Springs. Maybe we'll try and go to the other end, a bit we haven't been to yet. And Scarlett's just crawling about having a great time. Loving life out of the buggy. Yeah, I think you get a bit fed up in that buggy, but what you do? Another nice day, so hopefully, again, we will avoid the rain, because we've done well so far since we're on day 4. Oh my goodness, it's hot. You always forget how hot it is until you come outside, but there's the fountain. It's very pretty. So I was heading for the boat. Through the back, there's a wee door there. She comes from the shop. Oh, you always forget how hot it is when you come outside. So I don't know how long I'll wait for the boat. Oh, that's the wrong way. See, that's what happens when you follow your mother. You need to be in charge. Here's the ramp there, so I'll go down the ramp for Scarlett. There's no boat there anyway, so means we've not missed it, certainly. So hopefully it'll just arrive soon and we'll go to Disney Springs. I'm trying to think, oh, I should have a big breakfast that now we know I'm going to Disney Springs. So I could have had a snack. Maybe got a sprinkles or something. I don't know, I'll just go for a wander and explore new Disney Springs. It's all new to me. We were here in 2014 and it was still Downtown Disney and it was all boards everywhere and stuff. So it's a big change. That's why I totally couldn't get my bearings the other night and we got lost. But you know, that's just the way of it. Queen. There's it. At all. I don't know why. It's very cool. It's just all so different. There's Maria and Enzo's. Oh, and there's SDK. Ah. I think we're going to go down to the other bit though. Time to see what mugs they have. I'm after a We Are Here mug, but I don't know which ones they'll have. Like they have Florida or Orlando, or I don't know. So we're gonna go and have a wee lookie. So I've just bought my mug and I'm a bit disappointed, mainly because it's new mugs. Don't know if anyone collects them or not, but I had the You Are Here mugs and then they're stopping doing them. So I'm only going to buy one of the Been There series because maybe this is the time for me to stop buying them. The parks still have loads ones though, so I'm going to get the rest of the parks. And this is this one. So Florida mug, but yeah, it's not the right one. It's not the one I was after, but such is life, these things happen. But yeah, as I say, a good time to stop and save some money and save some room in my cupboards as they're full of mugs. Then we're going to go and have a wee look in the Coca Cola shop, see what we can see. I don't know if we'll go up to the rooftop bar or not, but we're going to have a lookie. These onesies, they're massive.
Beverage bar.
Yeah. Then we're going to... You don't see it coming in? No. The polar bears, it's cute. Oh, the pyjamas are nice actually. And these fluffy ones, they'd be too hot in my bed. Oh yeah, it's nice. It's cute with the wee love heart eyes. There you go. Oh, I like this one that says Orlando on it. Oh, it's sale. I might just get it. That's cute. See what size it is. I never know American sizes though. Well, that was far too small. Small, medium. Maybe a medium large. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's cute. Here's our top for my friend's shirt. He'd like this one. German. That one's quite cool as well. That's a nice thing. I've got to think, will I actually wear it? Because usually in Orlando you get excited about things and never wear them. Oh dear, look, who's this? Yeah, I don't think you should buy that one. There's a sale in here anyway. Oh, this isn't the sale. Sorry.
It's okay. Enjoy!
There you go. If you're after a pair of jeans like this, yep, go for it. $20. Just love a vintage sign. I don't know where to put it, so we'll just not bother, but they're very, very cool. And temperature gauge. That's really cool if you had an outdoor area, I suppose. Yeah, very, very cool. Cushions. Anyway, we're meant to be going to find the kids' stuff. I think it's over here. Oh, it's cute. Jamie would like these. Oh, there's not that much kids' stuff. No baby stuff, so nothing for you, Scarlett. Sorry, darling. Oh, these are cute. The little penguin. Oh, I think I might have to get one. This is the one we're going to get. Share a Coke with Santa. How cute is that? How much is it? $5.95. Yeah, we'll get that one. We've gone for the international tray, so you've got the instructions. You need to tell us. I'm not telling them which one's Beverly. So we're going to try these. Right, this is tray 1 and they've all got numbers on them. I'm just going to try one first. What's that number? You went for number 1? This is number 1. What is number 1?
You tell us.
Stony Tanga this is from Tanzania.
What is it? They're all fizzy drinks and all this?
Some are still.
That's like a Muslim mule.
What was that?
Are they alcoholic? No.
No.
Ginger beer.
Right, number 2.
Ginger beer that's dry.
No. 2. This is Fanta Exotic Fruit Punch from Uganda. That's nice, that one. The next one is Bonbon Anglaise from Madagascar. Smell it, sweet. Those are nice. Okay.
They're all a bit like liquid jelly beans actually.
Yeah, a wee bit actually. That's maybe quite a good description. Right, what do you think of that one?
That's actually very pleasant, that one.
Somebody's just woken up and she missed all the fun. We're at the Coca Cola. Oh, you see me actually, I don't know why I said that. But we've just had them all and they were good. And nobody liked the Beverly, funnily enough. No, you waving? So I think we're just going to get ready to leave and go for a wee wander, see where else we'll end up, all these new places. So, what a view, it's lovely, what a great idea. So, oh, wriggly. Wriggle, wriggle, wriggle. So it's time for some lunch. We're going to try chicken guy, since it's now open. And when we came in Saturday night, the queue was out the door, so we're definitely sitting inside though. It probably still is quite busy, but we'll go and see. We're just needing a bite, more so than enough. They probably said some yogurt and granola for breakfast, for us I don't for breakfast. But we'll go on and see what's happening. Chicken guy. Got 5 tenders, 7 salads, fries, and some sauces, but I don't really know what the sauces are, but yeah, it's very nice actually. Chicken roast, very good. But it was you need dining plan. So this is 2 quick service things there. You want some chicken? Yummy! Sephora's over there, but we're not going in. I don't think I'm gonna have a chance here. But I might have the Mall of Millennia, there must be one there. But no, it's very cool. There we have left those 2 in charge of directions. But she's never an idea because they're going the wrong way. Well, are they? I'm not sold because I just gotta go the right way. I just can't do it. But no, I think, oh, this is where Deluxe and stuff is. This is what we tried to find the other day, but we couldn't find it. Now we know where it is. Very good. And then this must take us to like Sprinkles and then across to where we walk, Raglan Road, I can see it. I think we're going in a bit of a circle. The water looks so blue. Makes me want to go for a swim.
She's building a sun castle right where I buried the prize crackers! I'm the host, me lassie, I'm the host! The Brandon, you've got...
Not easy this actually. My sunglasses are away. Wonderful. This is not easy.
Part 2, here we go. Fast pass time for flight passage. It's exciting. Scarlett's about to fall asleep, so that's good because she's in need of a nap and she fell asleep far too late last night. But we're going to go through, and I also need to go to Starbucks to get a mug, so that's the first port of call I think before 3:30. That's mug number 2 of the day, and a strawberry thing. A strawberry iced tea lemonade. And I brought my own straw and I can't get out now, so it's not the best idea in the world. But yes, there we go. We're going to drink this and then we're going to head to Pandora for a fast pass. It should be about time. What time is it? Time to go. Perfect. I'm going to see what the queue's like for the Navi River ride, but I think it'll be too long. Which is a shame, but I'm sure that says 50 minutes. My eyesight isn't great though, so yeah, it's 50 minutes, we're not going to bother. but our fast pass should be open for Flight Passage. So me and my dad are going to go and do that. Sorry, there's a show going on. I'll tell you what, you get your steps in when you come up the fast pass line. But no, it's great giving a fast pass. It's 70 minutes, so which actually isn't too bad considering what it's been. And if you really wanted to do it, you do it. So looking forward to a wee bit of aircon, and then I think we're going to head to the Nomad Lounge for a cocktail. Well, it's really quiet as well, so that's nice. I had moved dinner at Yak and Yeti from 4:30 to 7:30, so I had the space for fast passes. So we've got a while to our next one. So we're still having a wee seat and a cocktail. Said we enjoyed it better the second time, which you would have thought. Yeah, enjoyed it better. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, so that's good to tick. Now we better go and find the wee one of my mum. We've got another fast pass from my mum, but she says she's not fussed, so maybe see what time it is to see if we can cancel it. Hopefully somebody else can pick it up, which would be nice. But yeah, we better go find them. Hi, this way. Hi! We're in the Nomad Lounge. I have a panic there because Jamie's got ID, but she never asked. So, result. My mum has an Annapurna Fizz. Zing, sorry. Zing. Look at it. It's lovely. I think it's got gin and stuff in it. Dad went for a beer. Scarlett is still snoozing, it's been about an hour, so she'll be raring to go later. And I have a watermelon something. Enjoyed the watermelon thing at the Coke place earlier, so I'll have it up. Also Rita. Very nice. But it's just nice to come in and chill and enjoy the airport, especially for Scarlett. She was getting really hot there. But I also just got an email from Disney saying Everest is down. And we've got a fast pass later, so we can use it for something else, apart from obviously Pandora. But we might use it to make the characters if that's still open. But I'll need to see what time's like and see how it goes. So we'll figure it out. And Jamie's still at the hotel, so I don't know when he's coming. But we are quite happy here for the foreseeable future. Scarlett's come to join the party, she's woken up. What's Granny got? Oh, she's got a nice light in her drink. Just chilling. There we go. Half asleep, I think. Yeah. Don't jump off. Oh, you enjoying in the fun? Look at her dress, it's so cute with all the animals. Right, no jumping though. So I'm gonna have 3 drinks then. Oops. I've been here for an hour and a half, so who knows? But Jamie's here now. Who's Jamie? And Jamie's and Dad are meeting us later. But definitely get some more great food to drink. Maybe drink water. Scottish has been pretty strong, but you know what, it was lovely. A wee break. You know, animal kingdom. We're just sitting and drink and chilling and enjoying the aircon. It it was great for Scarlett. She needed it really to cool down. I think she's getting a bit restless now, so we're just going to be heading for a wee walk and towards Everest. I think Everest, fingers crossed, is back up and running. So we'll see.
Oh, yep, perfect.
Hello.
I'm gonna cut across real quick.
What do you think? Say hello. Say hi, hi, hi.
You're not shy.
You're happy. I think you like him.
Touch his nose.
Say hello. If you have something to tell you.
Yay!
Oh, that's nice.
We got a photo of it.
Yeah?
All right, big smiles. Boop, 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 boop. Hi! We got a little wave. What a cutie!
Thank you very much.
There
Thank
you
you
go.
very much. Time for Everest. You two ready? Are you two ready for this?
Oh yes.
How are you feeling?
Really scared,
Oh really?
terrified for this ascent of this mountain peak.
Was that it makes it a bit easier.
Bite the cocktails pretty soon after that.
Oh well, wish us luck. Bye. Nice wee bit of air before we begin. Should I take my ears off?
Yes.
I want them in my phone.
Oh, you're going to lose them. So I would take them
I'm
off.
hold on to them.
Oh, just put them quickly. Oh!
Right, we're at the back. How this is gonna go.
Next.
Just kind of one bit keeps going round and round and round. Jeez. Oh, that was brilliant. That was so good. It's brilliant. I'm going to scan it. Oh, there's Callum there. Oh, that was so good.
Here's your thing.
Oh, very nice.
I've got a new hat for Christmas.
You know what? You actually suit that. You do actually suit that.
What's that?
Very good.
Can I open one eye or both eyes?
Granda.
Oh, both eyes are pretty open.
Tell them it's Granda.
Dinoland, USA.
I've never been there.
So I don't know. Is it this way? Dinorama. Donald's Dino Bash. We've never really been in there. Maybe we should dinosaur first. Is the fast pass open?
Not yet.
Well, maybe we can go in there. Wanna go in?
Yeah.
go in. We're gonna go in here just now because the fast pass isn't open. Okay. Yeah, me and Jimmy. Quite like an arcade game now and again, especially basketball. So we'll have a wee look to see if they've got that. But yeah, I've never actually really been in here for now. Avoided it.
Some students see Majas hoping for wilderness.
Did Daddy win a monkey at the basketball? He did. Mummy forgot to film though. Silly. Do you like the monkey? Okay. What do we do? I don't quite know what's happening over here, but Jim Deal here and having a wee boogie. Dinosaur fast pass boy after our little boogie. That was nice. Yay. So we're getting a bit close to our ADR, aren't we? Yes we are, for Yak and Yeti, so they're all on the right. Jimmy, his mum and dad went on first and I went and got a drink. What happened is I asked for a cup of ice water, but nobody understands me in this country. The cup! And I ended up getting into cups. So I thought, oh, the machines must have water. No, they don't. So I just took a wee sneaky Diet Coke and I think, you know what? I don't feel bad. I've spent enough money at Walt Disney World, so it's fine. Anyway, they're all the way on. And they went first and I thought, well, that's the time sticking on. There's well going on rather than three of us missing out. I suppose I better miss a ride at some point, so we've done pretty well so far, haven't we? So hopefully they'll be out soon enough and we'll head across for dinner, because actually I'm getting a bit hungry. It's so beautiful with that sun setting. It's lovely. We'll hopefully have time to go to Pandora after dinner as well. This is apparently so different than dark. I'm saying that because I've not been yet, but yeah, the lights and the colours stuff. I've tried to avoid as much information as possible, but you know, can't avoid everything. So we will go and explore it for ourselves after dinner. It's half 8. We've only got an hour, so we might not have time actually, which is a shame, but I suppose I can only do what we can do. So, but actually I'm in bed, so let's go for dinner. This looks delicious. This is duck, yes. Oh, yummy! We got a lobster. Oh, what you got to eat?
Korean beef.
Korean beef, yeah. Oh, that looks good too. Kobe beef meatballs. Enjoying your tea? Thank you. I think we've all enjoyed it though. I think it was really nice. Empty plates anyway. There we are. Very nice. Yeah. Still got dessert to come. In your pajamas. We're just waiting on our dessert. They ran out of pineapple upside down cake though. So that's what Mum had ordered and ran out. So you chose the mango, what was it? Mango pie. And I'm going to have the wontons because it's classic Yak and Yeti. And Jamie is having cheesecake. And she's going out and come some ice cream. So, quite excited. It's been 4 years, it must be 6 years since I had it last. It's not last trip for me. So I'll look forward to trying again, see if they're exactly as I remember them or not. On that one, wontons. That's your milk. Violet's really nice actually. And that's a bowl of ice cream. Simple. So, but you're gonna get your milk tea and then Mummy will get her dessert maybe in a minute. What do you think? Yeah? Oh, you're gonna hold it? Well, we're just leaving. And there's nobody else in the park. It must be, what, 9:15? 9:30 park, shut an hour ago, but we just finished eating at Yak and Yeti. And oh, it was lovely, really good. I had the duck and Jimmy had the Korean beef and they were both delicious. I'm full. And then I have the wontons because, well, that's what you have when you have it Yak and Yeti. So we're just going to head back and get the bus and just head home. I don't know if anywhere else is open or not, but I think we're done. We've had a pretty successful day though. And I might have a wee glass of wine when we get home, which would be nice. And put my jammies on. But yeah, another good day. So thank you for watching and remember to give it a wee like and subscribe. And tomorrow, I should have said that earlier actually, tomorrow is Epcot Day and eating around the world. So I'm excited to get our snack credit on.